Welcome guys. If you want to get iOS launcher on your ALCATEL freebie, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. And we have to get application from the Looting developer. There's this one. Click here. Tap on install. Okay, and right now click here on the Looting developer, and we have to find here this application, the launcher for iOS 13. So click on it, tap on install, and just wait. Click open. Click allow 3 times. Right now tap on the home button. Go for the settings and enter apps. Select default apps. Tap on the home application, and right now we have to select iOS launcher. Let's click home screen, and right now as you can see our launcher has changed. So click on it, we got it. We can also tap here to fill all of the screen, and the screen has changed to 80 by 9. Let's click on the control center, and there will be add displayed. Use the switcher, click go back. One more time. Okay, click here for background apps and enter the launcher straight. Click on the home button. And we have to wait until all of this stuff is finished loading. I think that right now we can try to scroll, and yes, right now we got our iOS launcher on this ALCATEL freebie, and here we can also add the widgets. We got the battery here, or also the battery from the Bluetooth smartphone that is connected to our ALCATEL, and we can also try to use the control center. So open it from this right edge, use the switcher, go back, and try to open it one more time. And here we got also the control center. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!